my goodness. Look, once again, super simple ingredients. And the best kitchen helper ever. Welcome back to Snow Dog's Cooking, where if I can cook it, so can you. You may have noticed that last week and this week are super simple recipes. Part of the reason behind that is because I'm gone for a week. I'm on my way to, actually by the time you guys see this, I'll be just getting home from Vegas. If you want to see more about that, you should check out our vlog channel over at youtube.com/snowdogsvlogs. But I had to make some food with more of our fresh tomatoes, and I thought I would show you guys how to make, I'm going to say it wrong, I think it's caprese, I'm going to say it wrong. I think it's caprese, I think. I'm going to make a sub for you guys with really good stuff. If you've never had one of these before, it's amazing. You should totally try this. Let's go check in on the other kitchen helpers. Second best kitchen helper ever is apparently napping in this comfy dog bed. And third best kitchen helper is pouting here over on the couch. See, you should be watching the vlog channel. You'd know why she has a paw booty on. Don't worry, she's okay. All right, what are we gonna need for this? You're gonna need some type of hearty bread. You could use a ciabatta roll. You could use sourdough bread. I'm using some French sub rolls because I am gonna toast these up, and these toast up pretty nice and crisp. So bread of your choice. You're gonna need some fresh basil. My basil plant died, and then they didn't have any more at Meijer, so I'm going with those for now. You're gonna need some fresh mozzarella. You can use shredded. This is going to be way better. You're gonna need some fresh tomatoes or store-bought, whatever you would like. These are fresh. Fresh is better. If you can go to the farmer's market. I grew these tomatoes. You're gonna need a balsamic glaze. This stuff is so good. And then pesto, which I could have made, but I like this brand, so that's what I'm using. Another thing you could add to this is a little bit of mayo. You can mix some mayo into this if you want to, or you can add a little bit of olive oil as well, but I don't really like it like that. So those are two other things that you can add. Let's show you guys real quick how to make this epic sandwich. One more tip. You could make all this and then put like marinara sauce on it as well, and then it's like a pizza sub. It's like a Margherita Pizza Sub basically would be what you're making. So there's a lot of options with this. Put things on it that you like and make it however you want. You could also add chicken to this. I have had it with chicken, with grilled chicken on it. So good. But I didn't want chicken today. We're just using the good stuff. We're gonna make this. There's a lot of optional steps in this recipe. I am going to slightly toast my bread before I make the sandwich, and then I'm going to toast it again after I put it all together. So I'm gonna put this in my air fryer to toast it for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. I just want it to get a little bit toasty on the inside. Memphis is like, do I get a tomato? While your bread is getting a little crispy, wash and slice your tomatoes to the thickness that you want. Tomatoes are sliced. Now I'm gonna wash and dry some basil. I'm sitting here washing and drying the basil, and I think Memphis thinks I am making bone broth. Would you like a little tiny basil leaf? I put basil in her bone broth. You wanna try it? I didn't think so. One more try. Try again? No, you see your tongue come out. What about you? Sniff it? You wanna try it? I'll let you try it. I didn't mean to pull it away. No? You spit it out. I saw you spit it out. Let's see if Kira will try it. You're a little pouty. This might make you more pouty. Would you like to try some basil? One more try? No? So you only like it in your bone broth? Okay. All right, since there's not a lot you can try in this recipe, have a treat. One for you. One for you. I'm not teasing you. And one for you. There, at least y'all got something. Maybe you'll get a bite of cheese as well. Now we have our lightly toasted sub buns. We're gonna add a little bit of pesto. Again, this is a flavor preference. If you really like pesto, put a whole bunch on. I'm gonna put a thin layer just on the bottom. Now comes the fun part, the layering. So we have mozzarella, we have fresh tomatoes, we have fresh basil. We are going to pretty much layer this. So basically, we do a whole piece of mozzarella, and then a whole basil leaf, and then a whole tomato, and you just continue along. Pretty much like this. Now, I am going to stick this into the air fryer for about 4 minutes to kind of broil it all together. I was wrong. I had extra mozzarella cheese. So you actually do get something good from this. Look at this. Real mozzarella cheese. You want some? Oh my goodness. Would you like some as well? Oh my goodness. Better than that basil leaf, huh? And for Miss Kira. She had to make sure I wasn't fooling her. Good stuff? A squeaky cheese. Is it? Do you like it? Yeah? Okay. Oh, but it's not done yet. This already looks beautiful. So by putting it in the air fryer for just a little bit, you kind of get a little bit of melty mozzarella. You can see that the basil is a little bit kind of crispified on there. This is going to be amazing. Now to add that beautiful balsamic glaze. There is the perfection. This is going to be so good. Let's go try it. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Fresh tomatoes are the win for this, I'm telling you. It's just another fun thing I love to do with fresh tomatoes. Oh my goodness.
All right.
Cut it. It looks pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Huh? All right, you haven't had one of these probably in forever. I didn't put a ton of pesto on yours because you said a thin layer.
I don't know what to compare it to. Margherita Pizza, maybe?
I told them that. If you put marinara, if you want marinara and put on it, it'll taste just like Margherita Pizza. I do have some.
Yeah, kind of leans towards
that's,
that.
Yeah, that's the flavor profile it goes for.
That's pretty good, though.
All right, let's eat some food. Simple, easy, delicious, perfect little lunch. And like I said, if you want to turn it into a pizza sub, put some marinara sauce on it. Now it's a Margherita Pizza Sub. So many options that you can do with this. If you have some suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. I know the last 2 videos have been pretty simple, but you guys have also asked for simple recipes. If you have anything that you would like to see us make, please let us know down in the comments below. All right, you guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay positive, dream big, and we will see you again soon. Goodbye, audience.